Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at something that, well, it kind of makes me feel like there's no hope for it, and then I'm just a Victorinox Swiss Army knife fanboy. This is a Victorinox keychain. And this particular keychain is the Cross and Shield logo. Like so. Now, I don't know if I am the only one who wants to basically rep for Victorinox so seriously, but it's kind of a cool little keychain. It's decent weight. The surface is enameled. It's not bad size-wise. For comparison, this is the Shield keychain, and this is a 58mm Swiss Army knife. So it's not bad size-wise. It's not like a huge emblem. I don't know. It's kind of cool. I found this one on eBay for like, I want to say $8, something like that. You can check eBay for these if you want them. I'll also include a link in the description for an Amazon search for Victorinox keychains, but I'm not sure. I didn't see any of these on Amazon when I looked before, but they may be up now. Anyway, I don't know. It's kind of hit and miss with Amazon. But what do you think? Sort of a nifty little keychain emblem for like under $10. I kind of like it. The big question is, does it go on a keychain? I'm gonna have to think about that. What do y'all think? What do you think about putting things on your keychain that are decorative and not functional? I don't know. I mean, if you're going to put anything decorative on your keychain, it would definitely be something Swiss Army knife related, right? Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, as odd and fanboyish as it may have been, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.